do a little bit of everything to get everybody up and dancing. We do a lot of wedding work, we do a lot of corporate work, military work, whatever. We enjoy playing.
You got me begging you for mercy. Why don't you release me? You got me begging you for mercy.
He's an Xbox and I'm more of an Atari. But the way you play your game ain't fair. I pity the fool who falls in love with you. Yeah.
We play a little bit of everything, so you'll find things like soul, Motown, 70s disco, lots of up-to-date stuff, pop, a bit of Bruno Mars, a bit of Beyonce, a bit of Justin Timberlake. It's all good fun.
You don't wanna save me. Sad is my song. When you believe in things that you don't understand, when you suffer, superstition's not the way. Sunday night and I'm in the spot. Don't believe it, just watch.
The bulk of the work is the weddings, and we love doing weddings. We of course will learn your first dance for you, that's no problem.
'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges.
Very often people ask us how long we play for. We always do 2 sets of 1 hour. And obviously we include absolutely everything in our quotes. You know, we have a public liability insurance, we have all the equipment, all the lighting, everything that you possibly need.
She's got a smile and it seems to me, it reminds me of childhood memories where everything was as fresh as a bright blue sky. So stay, come back once more, I will still stay. Ba-ba-loo-ba, ba-da-bam-jo.
We also include filler music, so like what's playing now, before we actually go on and do our live set, we'll make sure that there's music playing for you and your guests. We can do a DJ service if needs be, or we can just include the filler music for you without request.
Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie. Nothing I can see but you and me dance, dance, dance. When it goes creeping up on you, we just dance, dance, dance.
The band is made up normally of 7 people, that's the standard lineup, but we can actually go as little as 6 or even as big as 14 people, depending on your budget, the space that you've got, your requirements, your music taste. Normally the back line is drums, bass, guitar and keys, and then we can add male vocals, female vocals, horns, you know, sax, trumpet, trombone, all that kind of stuff.
So good, I got you.
This particular lineup with Phil on drums and Tom on the bass and Al on guitar and Matt is on keys, and then you've got Giles on male vocals, you've got Mandy on female vocals who isn't here tonight, you've got George on sax, and this particular lineup has been together for quite a few years, and what I love about being in the band is that these guys are really good friends now, and for me going out to work just doesn't feel like work, it just feels like fun. We absolutely love what we do. We love weddings, we love the events, and you know, it doesn't feel like work for us.
Yes, I need.
Thank you so much.